Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we got a 2011 Mercedes ML350, 108,000 miles, one owner. Really nice car. See, the inside and exterior and interior are both in great shape. It's missing an emblem here, but we have that on order, so by the time this video is live, it'll probably be there. Yeah, we just did an oil change on it. Front brakes and rotors are brand new. Drives excellent. This one has navigation, backup camera, sunroof. Leather's in really good shape, as you'll see. Even the body, you could tell somebody definitely garage kept it. They got Pirellis on it, so they were taking good care of it. You can see the back seat is like immaculate. Heated seats, dual zone climate control. There is a tear here on this, so we'll point that out. But besides that, interior is in great shape. Start her up. And if it's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you know anybody that has a Mercedes who needs some work done, or any other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a holler for our repair shop. Thank you for checking out this video.